In today's video, I am going to teach you how to create a login page on Squarespace. To begin, you will need to log into your Squarespace website dashboard. Open Squarespace in your browser, then sign in using your regular access method. Once you are inside the dashboard, make sure you are on the correct site, since the steps you take will apply to the website you are currently working on. After you have successfully logged in, the next thing you will do is locate the website option. In the dashboard, click Website. This area is where you manage the core parts of your site, including pages and navigation. Take a moment to confirm you are now looking at the site tools, because from here you will be building the new page for your login. Next, you will click Pages. This is where all pages for your site are listed, including your existing main pages. You will also see controls related to creating new pages. If you already have a page list on screen, keep your focus there, because the login page will be added as a blank page that you customize. Now, look for the plus icon next to main navigation. This lets you add something new into the navigation area. Click that plus icon. As soon as you do, a small menu or option panel should appear, and this is where you choose the type of page you want to create. From the options, select Blank Page. You are essentially creating a clean starting point that you can design exactly as you need. After you click Blank Page, you will be prompted to name the page. Name it Login. Make sure the spelling and capitalization are correct, since the name will help you quickly identify this page later. With the page created, you will now edit it. Find the new login page in your pages list, then click Edit. This should open the page editor, where you can add layout sections and content blocks. If the page opens to a blank layout, that is exactly what you want, because you will build the login interface inside it. Once you are in the editor, you will click Add Section. This adds a structural area to the page, so the content can be organized cleanly. After you click Add Section, you should see options for different ways to add content. Next, click Add Blank. This keeps things simple and gives you a blank space that you can customize with your button and link settings. Now that the blank section is in place, you will add the actual interactive element. Click Add Block. Blocks are the building parts of your page, such as buttons, text, and images. After clicking Add Block, choose Button. A button block will appear in your section. At this point, you will configure what the button says and where it goes. Click the pencil icon on the button. The pencil icon is the edit control, and it should open the button settings panel. In the text field, change the button text to Login. Double-check the spelling so the button reads clearly for visitors. Next, find the link field box. This is where you connect the button to the correct destination within your site. In the link field box, type /account/login. This path is what directs users to the Squarespace login area. After entering that path, review it once more to ensure it is exactly correct, including the / and spelling. Finally, you will save your changes. Click Save in the top left corner. Saving is important because it locks in your button text and link destination. After saving, you can preview the page to confirm that the button behaves as expected, sending visitors to the login route you specified. And that covers everything you need to know. And that is all there is to it.